us now observe the circuit, then click the wire. Okay, and this time let us input the bulb. You have now the complete circuit. Let us use the ammeter and the voltmeter. So this is the voltmeter. I'm going to determine how much is the volt in the first bulb. So we have 3 volts in the second bulb. How much is the voltage? Still 3 volts. On the third bulb, 3 volts. Now, how much is the total voltage of the system, of the circuit? So there is 9 volts. So the total voltage of the circuit is 9 volts. Now let us use the ammeter. In the ammeter, you have to remove one wire. Then connect the ammeter positive to positive and negative to negative connection. This is for the positive and this is for the negative terminal. So how much is the current? It's 0.3. So there is no reading on the current because to find the current you have to connect terminal negative. You have to connect the ammeter to the positive terminal, connect the connecting wire to the positive terminal and to the negative terminal. So let us use the other one, the other end. If there is a 0.3 value. What about in the next? This is the for connect the wire to the positive terminal and then the other one to the negative terminal. So you can see the value is 0.3 of the current.